Hey guys, I hope you guys are having a great day. I just wanted to show you a few parts that we've been gathering at the junkyard, as well as the floor that we have removed from the parts Jeep. We also purchased the rocker panels, the outer rockers, as well as the inner rockers. And on the next video, we'll probably be prepping the Jeep and cutting it off. Right now, we've just been focusing on pretty much gathering as many parts as we can. We were able to get lucky and go to the junkyard and take out 2 full quarter panels. So that's really fantastic. So in the next part, you'll probably see us taking it apart. Thank you so much. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.